Hey everyone! Today we are checking out this heavy-duty dark gray wagon perfect for all your adventures. This cart offers a huge storage capacity, 120 liters for all your gear. The sturdy steel frame and reinforced wooden bottom easily support up to 260 pounds. Its all-terrain wheels rotate 360 degrees to handle grass, sand, and gravel smoothly. The water-resistant fabric is incredibly durable, and the adjustable handle makes steering very easy. You can fold it down in just 3 seconds without needing any tools for assembly. This lightweight cart includes a built-in cover bag for simple storage anywhere you go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.